Shop work demands power you can count on. This 18-volt quarter-inch SX drive cordless impact driver kit delivers serious torque, up to 170 foot-pounds, with speeds reaching 3,200 revolutions per minute and 4,000 impacts per minute to drive fasteners fast in the tightest spaces. The SP Tools SP83147US features 4 adjustable speed modes, a variable speed trigger, and a quick-release 1/4-inch hex chuck for effortless bit changes. The built-in LED light illuminates your work area, while the ergonomic lightweight design keeps you comfortable all day. At just 2.2 pounds without the battery, this kit includes 2 5-ampere-hour lithium-ion batteries and a fast charger, so you stay productive without compromise. Built tough for mechanics and pros who need reliability in every drive. Success is built with SP Tools.